Like, what do we think? What do we think? Because it's looking really good in here, but yeah, it took us a second to get to this in the bag. We are all over in this vlog, but this is like an official welcome back to another vlog because I don't think I filmed an intro, but somehow throughout the vlog we ended up here. Okay, so welcome back to another vlog. Please stick around. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Most importantly, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get into today's vlog. This portion of the video is sponsored by VinchyArt. A huge shout outs to them for sponsoring us. Guys, I needed a painting for my office. I wanted to jazz up, I should say, this empty wall that I had behind me. Once I went on the VinchyArt website, there was so many options to choose from. It honestly took me over a day to decide because I am that indecisive and they had so many good options. I did go ahead and pick the abstract Tranquility art painting. What I love with VinchyArt is that their art is made to order. Once you decide on the design that you like, the artist then goes ahead to create your painting. It is 100% hand painted, so it takes 1 to 2 weeks. And then after they finish painting your artwork, they send it over to you for you to decide if you are happy with it. And then you have to confirm. If you're not happy with how it looks, then they can make changes. They do not ship your artwork unless you have confirmed that you are happy with it. And then you just wait between 3 to 7 days for it to come in through FedEx or DHL. Once I got my painting, I was very happy with it. Guys, they did send me a photo to confirm, and I did confirm because I loved how it looked. I feel like this painting goes well with my style and my vibe. I want my office to feel light and eerie, but also having some kind of depth to it. I like feeling relaxed and at ease. I don't like bright colors. I like a more neutral style. So I think this goes well and it complements the space. It makes the wall less flat and it just gives it more of a pop. I want when I walk in my office, I feel relaxed and at ease and just peaceful. And I think this does that for me. What I love with the VinchyArt is that if you are not satisfied, you can get a return or an exchange within 30 days. It ships for free and they're available 24/7 for anything that you would need with your order. It comes with all the hanging hardware and it was so easy to install. I got a 40x40 frame and I was deciding if I wanted it horizontal or vertical.